Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Right, in this video I will show you how to fix your beloved brushes and save you some coins in the process. I want you to use this video as a reminder to save your brushes and pennies, so let's get right into the video. Step 1. Go through your brush collection and sort through and separate the intact ones from the rest. Okay, let's first talk about why your brushes will break or why you find yourself in these situations. Brushes break because of several reasons, maybe the quality, how often you use it, and also if you have little fingers like mine that like to use your brushes for other things, they can also break due to force and temperature and a lot of things actually. Step 2. Match the pieces, so the head to the tail. So if you find a brush and you feel like it's loose, you need to find another bum for it and then fix it. So you match the pieces, the head to the tail. That's the second step. You don't want to skip the step at all. And then you set it aside, leave them intact and put them side by side. If you're new to my channel and you're wondering why I have this many brushes, let me reintroduce myself to you. My name is Fumi. I'm a professional makeup artist here in London, and this is why I have this many brushes. So you are welcome. This is a good time for you to subscribe to the channel if you love what you see, and pop the like button if you enjoy watching the video. I have so many videos lined up and I intend to put them out, but when you click on the notification bell, you'll be the first to know when a new video comes up from me, so thank you in advance. Step 3, you want to apply a very strong adhesive. So I use super glue. I bought the super glue from a shop near me. It's called Poundland and I bought it for £1. So there are 4 pieces in a pack. I only use 1 tube, which means I spend 25p, and that saves me the cost of buying an Italian brush, and I'm also able to get a good use out of a good brush. Okay, what you want to do is apply the adhesive generously to the joint of the brush tail. So you want to go round and then put it on top as well. You might want to use more than I used in here, but I'm just quite wary of the drops. I don't really like the glue dropping everywhere because it's difficult to clean, almost impossible. There is no time to wait, there is no downtime. You just need to attach the brush base to the brush head immediately and set aside until you're done with your batch, and allow it to dry completely. In the comment section below, can you guys let me know what you think of this video, what you think of this hack, if you're going to try it or you're just going to be like, oh, I don't care, just pop it in the bin and buy a new one. Do you think it's something new? Is it new to you, or is it something that you've just always thought about and never just done? Put it in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts. What are the things you've tried in the past, because we can all learn from you as well. So let me know if you have other methods that you use, and what other brushes do you get, because I know people like to get good quality brushes, but some people are not quite there yet, so they don't need to spend so much money on brushes. But do you know any brushes that are of good quality and quite affordable? So maybe your answer can help somebody else out who might be in the market looking for new brushes. Step 4. Do a strength test on all your brushes. Just a gentle tug here and there, nothing forceful. You can replace the cover on the unused glue, but in my experience it's quite fruitless because the glue will dry up. So make sure you gather all your projects that you need to glue together so you can maximize what's left. And yeah, that's the end of the video. It takes literally like a minute to get this done, and I actually enjoy doing this, just watching things come back to life again. So thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed this video, do pop the like button, subscribe to join the family, and share this video with your friends. See you in the next one. By God's grace. Bye.